apha aba bantu beme apha only ngulungasekhoyo.
The person who knows all of us is the one who is not here.
Only. But isimanga esisifumene apha.
An amazement that we got in here.
Sithe kasiphume Kapa.
When we were departing from Cape Town, our reverends, we said we are going to Kumnyama, whether there is atrocities, whether no whatever,
we're going forward. We never turn back. Because
we know Langalibalele.
You can't believe ukuthi abantu bala us organize a transport from airport King Shark.
So the people from here organized us a transport from the airport.
From King Shark.
They took us from the airport.
It's very far. We never knew,
but we only called.
Cape Town, organize the transport from King Shaka. We say thank you very much.
We never
expected that,
because there is a lot of people are abusing the medium. We were very amazed. We are very thankful, MC, by welcoming us from Cape Town. We are here because of Langalibalele.
I'll be short. Manje ndizawuchaza nje ababini abalapha abamileyo.
Our father will allude by telling you
abangakhulumanga esihamba
the two
nabo.
people that did not speak who are here.
Mr. Jama lo.
Ubaba Jama.
Ubaba Dlamini.
Ubaba Dlamini.
Ukhona ke ubaba uDlamini lapha eDanunu.
Ukhona eDanunu.
But kusiqithanyana nje lapha eDanunu.
Not far but from Danunu.
Ngoba umphathi waseDanunu yimi.
Because the head of Danunu is him.
Ndamsikela ke.
Therefore he has given him an opportunity to take this part, this side, and the other part is mine. Here, the one who is standing here.
His friend, best friend Katwarelo.
This is the best friend of Twarelo.
Mrs. Nomfamfa.
Miss Nomfamfa.
From Cape Town. Umanquba. Angazi ukhona umuntu ozalana naye la. Amnika inkabegusha mayihamba.
So may he be given a sheep when he is going back.
Come closer, my sweetheart.
May you come closer.
This is my wife. Pato. Amen. Ebefikela kuThwanelo kuthi eDanunu. Cape Town uThwanelo mna zaba mfitshane kakhulu
You will be short, MC.
uThwanelo ndimazi ngoMr Qhinebe.
He is the one who
le ndoda msebenzisana naye eCape Town.